Alright, well, I decided not to put it all together, so I've split the videos. So we've got just done part 6, and this is now going to be part 7. This is the clip bit, yeah, come on, Bruno. Say hello to Bruno. Here's Bruno. No, Bruno, over here. Look over here, you daft dog. Look, there you go. That's all Bruno. He's nearly 14. Alright, boo-boo. I know, he's still full of life. Yeah, aren't you, boo-boo? Good lad. Right then, on we go. Right, that's sorted. I'm going to attempt to get this off. Hang on a second, let's go. Right, top of this tie bar. And now the other side, another marathon. Cheers. Okay. Let's take off the rack. Right, what have we got? Wash, vanish. Hiding from me. This never works for me. A nice little tap, sugar when done, never works. It works! First time for everything. First time for everything. Right. Ooh. What a fetching shade of blue. Whew. 27 if you're wondering. Hold it. That was on the other side, that's a bit of a pain. Never mind. Right. Motion. Two of the clips stripped down, so I'll get on with it. I'll try and stay out of your way. The glue back on.
Where a young-ish woman
just testing out something on this.
Very old women in sequence and inherited from both of them more than 3 million. So Angela emails, my father married a younger woman at the end of his life. He literally left the wedding and went straight into hospital.
Does anyone know why, even though they're identical, the part numbers are identical, one has 20, I don't know if you can see from there, one has 26 on it, you probably can't see, and that one has 17 stamped on it. I've noticed this before, even though they're exactly the same part number, there's a number.
The child who wanted to inherit, and there is a
it looks like L and H 26, L and H 17. Well, I thought it would be L and R, but certainly it's L and H.
My big brother Dave said he may be after your money, Mum. But it turned out Les was a 78-year-old
weird.
widower. He was a very nice old bloke, and he just
Noticed that before, have different numbers on.
Mum and Les had 5 happily married years.
Not ideal spring compressors. There is a special Ford tool, as any Cortina person knows, but I'm not too bothered about taking these off because I'm not worried about damaging the paint or anything. So these will do. These aren't ideal because the Cortina springs, they apart from compressing, they bend sort of like that, so you just can't get them in properly. They're shaped like that, as you can see. So not ideal, but the spring compressor we made is right. Dave's and he's using it at the moment. So like I say, forget them off. I'm not too bothered about using these. If you try and use them to get the spring on again, it just it scratches all your paintwork. But it'll do the job just about. Weirdly, I think the very act of getting it in has loosened it off. I've just noticed, I think we're a bit high, aren't we? Let's bring it down a touch. Sorry, you probably missed some of the action there. That's at its fullest extent, unfortunately. That's rather annoying. I thought there'd be a bit more than that. Oh well. on then for now. Well, it might give us a bit more than that. Spin it round. Oh, bastard. Ah, well. One way. Again. Well, it's relatively painless. Oh, nuts. Nuts, whole hazelnuts. Oh, why Carbodies take them and they cover them in chocolates. Will you stay there for a second, will you? I don't know. Get that off there. My good lord. That really is knackered. Right, I shall leave that for now. I shall try and get this out on the bench. Sorry, on Pepsi Max today. Normal service will resume later on today. So, I think you can just about see the line there, can't you? Yeah, that's going to be difficult. And when I come across difficult things, drastic solutions. Not going to use it anyway. One more piece of the puzzle. Now I'm just explain a little bit more about these top arms and these stupid top hat things. They always break up. In fact, this one, even the inners come loose. But most people don't realise that the piece in there is actually part of this when you buy this. If you're going to use poly bushes, then you need to leave this in if you can. If you don't cut off, obviously you have to cut this out if it's still attached. But if you're not, if you're using rubber like I'm going to be using, and I've already got I think I've got a full set of 4 of these. But if not, I'll get some more anyway. But I'll be taking these out. So if you're going to do that, take them out before you get them powder coated. Good tip. Right. And now, I thought that might have a bit more reach than that, but it's not. Right. Let's do some more compressing. Ooh. Not too bad. Lower arm. That's on the floor somewhere down here. So I better remove these before it. And one spring. That's not that one. Swine. Where did it? Oh, there it is. That's what I wanted. Sort of replicate it around the other side. Nice. Let's release the spring. And that's how you dice with death on a Cortina. Right. Right, to the side. Okay, I'm back, equipped. So yeah, let's get this other side off. Excellent. Right. Wrong one. Ba-doo-doo, ba-doo-doo. Right. Another one. To add to the collection. That's not. There we go. These springs are really pitted. I might have to change these. I've got a second-hand set up there somewhere. Right, where are we? Super! Another dice with death over with. Now the only thing left on the clip now, apart from the lower ball joints, oh no, apart from that, the lower armament on this side, are these, and they're spinning round. So I'll get this lower arm off first and see where we stand. Get out. Come on. Out you come. There we go. Another piece for the collection. Excellent. Right. Let's see if we can get that one up. Doesn't seem to take me turning. What have we got? 17. That's not what we want, is it? Whew, right, that's about it. It's empty of all bits. Just got to take the ball joints off the top and upper and lower arms, and then it's ready for what I want to do with it. I don't know whether I'm going to get it powder coated or I might do it myself. I'll see. I'll just get it blasted and I'll see what we come back with. But that's it for now. So there we go. Not sure what I'll be doing with the suspension bits yet. I usually just get them powder coated, but I'm swaying towards a better finish, so I'll probably try and get a really good paint job on them. Anyway, in the next part, should be replacing the offside inner sill. So see you then. Bye bye for now.